We like to think of the car as the ultimate symbol of human defiance against nature. A metallic cage of steel, glass, and microchips built to conquer the elements. But what if I told you that every single time you turn a key or push a start button, you aren't fighting nature, you are mimicking it? What if the modern automobile isn't a departure from the natural world, but its absolute mirror image? From the way air flows over the hood to the way the vehicle breathes, cools itself, and grips the earth, cars don't conquer nature. They survive because they learned from it. Welcome to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here. Today, we are stripping away the sheet metal to show you the hidden, mind-bending relationship between the machines we build and the planet we drive them on. Think about air. To us, it feels like nothing. But to a car moving at highway speeds, air isn't nothing. It's a thick, heavy fluid. It's an invisible ocean. When engineers want to make a vehicle faster, more efficient, or more stable, they don't look at computer code first. They look at the sky. Notice the shape of a modern sports car or an hybrid vehicle. The long, sloping roofline, the tapered rear end. This isn't just for looks. It's the exact geometry of a teardrop, nature's most aerodynamically perfect shape. Look at how a falcon alters its wing shape mid-dive to manage drag. Modern cars use active aerodynamics, splitters and wings that adjust their angles automatically depending on speed. We think we invented high-speed stability, but we just copied the mechanics of a bird adjusting its feathers in a crosswind. But a car doesn't just move through nature, it processes it. A vehicle has to breathe. Whether it's an internal combustion engine burning oxygen to create power, or a hybrid vehicle or an electric vehicle managing massive battery packs, heat is the ultimate enemy. And how do we fight it? With systems that mirror biological life. Think about a car's cooling system. The water pump forces coolant through tiny channels surrounding the hottest parts of the machine, absorbing heat and moving it to the radiator where the rushing wind cools it down. This is identical to the cardiovascular system of a mammal. When you run, your heart pumps blood faster to your skin's surface to release heat and keep your core temperature stable. Even the newest hybrid vehicle or electric vehicles rely on sophisticated battery thermal management plates that acts like a network of blood vessels, ensuring the cells stay in a perfect homeostasis, just like human cells. If the machine gets too cold, it shivers by using energy to warm up. If it gets too hot, it sheds that energy. It is a mechanical ecosystem. And then, there is the only part of the car that actually touches the earth, the contact patch. 4 pieces of rubber, each no bigger than the palm of your hand, holding a 2-ton machine to the ground. How does a tire maintain grip at high speeds? Through torrential rain or freezing ice? Through texture inspired by evolution. The grooves and sipes, those tiny slits in winter tires, are engineered to manipulate water. As the tire rotates, it channels water away from the center to prevent hydroplaning, acting exactly like the microscopic ridges on the feet of a tree frog or a gecko, which push moisture away to maintain a dry grip on slick leaves. When you drive through a mountain pass, electronic stability control monitors the traction of each individual wheel thousands of times per second. If one wheel slips, it brakes the others to keep you straight. It's the exact same subconscious muscular micro-adjustments a mountain goat makes when leaping across fractured rock faces. It is instinct, translated into binary code. So the next time you step into your car, don't just see a tool of convenience. Look at the curves of the body panels and see the flow of the wind. Listen to the cooling fans hum and see the breath of a living system. Feel the tires grip the road and realize you are participating in a beautiful, high-speed dialogue with the physics of our planet. We didn't conquer nature to build the automobile. We listened to it. If this video changed the way you look at the machine in your driveway, share it with someone who loves to drive. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment below with your favorite driving road, and next time you get behind the wheel, take a second to appreciate the symphony.